Blacked Out Jeep Wrangler here. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are talking about the 2019 Jeep Scrambler. Before I begin, let's get with the intro. Welcome back to another vlog. Set to arrive at dealerships early next year, the 2019 Jeep Scrambler will be the successful successor of the CJ8, which went out of production in 1986. Now before I begin and give you more information, the information that I'm actually sharing with you are from two sources. First being carscoops.com and the second one being jeepscramblerforum.com. I'm gonna have both the information below the video as well for you guys. Despite the disguise, there is no hiding the fact that the Scrambler will be heavily influenced by the new Wrangler. The truck features a shortened cab and a unique hardtop. Speaking of hardtops, there are going to be quite a few different type of tops that are going to be available. We're going to talk more about this as we get through into this video. We can also see the spare tire is mounted underneath the bed instead of the usual locations at the back of the tailgate. Engine options will carry over from the Wrangler, and this means the base model should be powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine developing 285 horsepower. Buyers looking for something more eco-friendly should be able to order an optional turbocharged 2.0 liter 4-cylinder producing 270 horsepower. Finally, we can expect a 3 liter eco diesel V6 with 260 horsepower. This particular engine will allow the Scrambler to compete with the Chevrolet Colorado and the GMC Canyon, which both offer an optional 2.8 4-cylinder diesel engine producing 186 horsepower. Per a recent FCA dealership meeting, the Jeep pickup is expected to hit the dealerships as soon as April 2019. The 2019 JT Scrambler would offer at least 3 top options, including a black 3-piece hardtop, a body-colored 3-piece hardtop, and a premium black Sunrider soft top option, making the pickup truck a true convertible. Now we got this amazing rendering that was produced by jeepscramblerforum.com. They have this amazing front and back prototype of what the Jeep is going to look like from what the JL looks like, so it is going to be, from everyone's guess, pretty accurate. Let's take a look at this. Alright guys, so that is it. This is just the beginning. As time progresses, there are going to be a lot more spy shots that will be available. But I just wanted to give you guys like a little sneak peek of what's going on, just in case some of you guys weren't aware that Jeep was coming out with a pickup. That is some amazing news, especially for guys that are out in the construction sites and people that are in the rental business and everything else. I can see this to be something amazing. Now just imagine this truck on 37s or 35s and lifted and just accessorized to the max. So only time will tell. I look forward to your comments below as to whether or not you guys would opt for going for this new Scrambler, a pickup version of the JL, and look forward to reading all your comments. I hope this was informative, and again, just stay tuned. I guarantee it, that we are gonna go for a test drive once this beast does come out. I'll be taking you guys along with us, and that should be a lot of fun in April 2019. Until then, remember, please subscribe, hit the like, share, and Jeep. Just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.